correlation between Bitcoin and the US dollar. Introduction. The correlation between Bitcoin, BTC, and the US dollar is a subject of significant interest for both investors and economists. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, and the US dollar, the world's primary fiat currency, represent two distinct asset classes with differing characteristics and underlying mechanisms. Understanding their correlation can provide insights into market dynamics, investor behavior, and economic trends. Historical context. Historically, Bitcoin and the US dollar have exhibited varying degrees of correlation. Bitcoin was initially seen as an alternative asset to traditional fiat currencies, including the USD. As Bitcoin gained popularity, its relationship with the USD became more pronounced, reflecting both market sentiment and macroeconomic factors. Factors influencing correlation. 1. Market sentiment and risk appetite. Flight to safety. In times of economic uncertainty or market turmoil, investors often seek refuge in traditional safe haven assets like the USD. This can lead to a decrease in Bitcoin prices as investors move capital away from riskier assets. Speculation and investment trends. When investor confidence in Bitcoin is high, it can lead to a positive correlation with the USD, especially if Bitcoin is perceived as a hedge against inflation or a store of value. 2. Economic indicators and monetary policy. Interest rates. Changes in U.S. interest rates can impact the USD's strength. Higher interest rates typically strengthen the USD, potentially influencing Bitcoin's price as investors reassess their portfolios. Inflation. Bitcoin is often viewed as a hedge against inflation. When inflation rates rise and the USD weakens, Bitcoin may see increased demand, which can affect its correlation with the USD. 3. Market dynamics. Liquidity and trading volumes. High liquidity and trading volumes in both Bitcoin and USD markets can influence their correlation. Increased Bitcoin trading activity might lead to a stronger relationship with USD fluctuations. 4. Regulatory environment. Cryptocurrency regulation. Regulatory changes in major economies, particularly in the US, can impact Bitcoin's correlation with the USD. Positive regulatory news can lead to increased Bitcoin adoption, while negative news can have the opposite effect. Empirical analysis. Empirical studies have shown that the correlation between Bitcoin and the USD can vary over time. During periods of high volatility or market stress, Bitcoin and USD often exhibit low or negative correlation. Conversely, during stable market conditions or bullish phases for Bitcoin, the correlation can become more positive. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Bitcoin experienced significant price volatility, while the USD saw fluctuations driven by global economic conditions and fiscal responses. Analyzing this period can provide insights into how Bitcoin's correlation with the USD may shift in response to global events. Conclusion. The correlation between Bitcoin and the US dollar is influenced by a complex interplay of market sentiment, economic indicators, regulatory developments, and market dynamics. While Bitcoin and USD are distinct in their roles and characteristics, their relationship can provide valuable insights for investors and analysts. Understanding these correlations can help in making informed investment decisions and in navigating the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency and traditional finance.